Hi guys, today we are learning how to make Google your default search engine. After unlocking your phone, open the Chrome browser. This is where all the settings will be changed. Now tap on the three dots menu in Chrome. A list of different options will appear on your screen. From here, we need to go into Settings to continue the process. Inside Settings, look for the Search Engine option and tap on it. Here you will see different search engine choices available. This is the main place where you control how your browser searches the web. Now select Google from the list of search engines. You might also see options like Bing, but choose Google carefully. After selecting it, tap on the tick or confirm option to save changes. And that's how you can easily make Google your default search engine in Chrome. Now, every time you search, it will automatically use Google for better results. If this helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment for more simple tutorials like this.